Again, we're on the 8th problem now. If you struggle with the prior 7, you're getting better at this. And I want to go through the key now, all right? And, basically, I'm looking at it. I wrote down this one as a simple equation. What I do, I solve for y. Should be simple to do. Next thing I did was I wrote the first equation down, and then I made a substitution. What substitution to make? Wherever I saw y, I put 2a minus x. Then what I did, which requires a lot of work. I shouldn't say a lot of work, some work. This is work. Got to multiply out, collect terms, get into a nice, easy form. And so I'm going to put over here, I got this over here. Now, by the way, I did say I use quadratic formula. I want to do it slightly differently. So I'm going to write this down a little differently, all right? So I'm going to write it as x squared minus 2ax, and then I'm going to factor that last term. And the last term is going to be a minus b, a plus b, and that equals 0. I'm going to factor it by looking at it. And what do you get over here? X and x. I'm going to say minus a plus b minus a minus b. Now, certainly you'll get the first term and the last term. Do you get the middle one? Well, you'll get minus 2a, and then you get what? Yeah, the b's disappear. Let me write that down. You'd get minus a minus b minus a plus b. These disappear. You're left off with minus 2a, as expected. So I'm going to say factoring actually works better than the quadratic formula, but I realize a lot of students are going to go to quadratic formula because they're a little bit nervous about the problem. There's nothing wrong with that. If you're going to use quadratic formula, though, on this over here, you need to identify the big A, which is going to be 1, the big B, which is minus 2 little a, and the C is actually a squared minus b squared. And you're going to plug it in quadratic formula. And if you do that, you'll get the same answer that we're getting by factoring, which is x equals a plus b, or x equals, let's see, a minus b. All right? Now, by the way, you're not done yet. What you have to do is go back to the original system, which is go over here, and let me just do one at a time. Let's say a were equal to a plus b. I plug it in here. That would be a plus b plus y equals 2a. So what you get there? You get a minus b. That's one point of intersection. Let's say you did the other one. What's the other answer I got? The other answer I got was a minus b. Let's write that down. A minus b. You still plug it in. What do you get? A minus b plus y equals 2a. What are you going to go there? Y equals, let's see, a plus b. All right, let's get a red pen out. I want to make sure I got those answers listed for you. So a plus b, a minus b. Yep. A minus b, a plus b. Yep. And we're done. Thank you.